Most people get this wrong when comparing Markate and Jobber. They look similar on the surface, but choosing the wrong one can cost your business time, money, and missed jobs. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best software depends less on features and more on how your company actually operates day to day. In this video you'll learn the key differences between Markate and Jobber in 2026, who each platform is best for, and which one delivers the most value for small service businesses and contractors. Let's get straight to the answer. If you want a simpler, more polished field service management platform with strong scheduling, customer communication, and ease of use, Jobber is usually the stronger choice. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform that combines job management with marketing tools and customer acquisition features, Markate may be worth considering. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many business owners focus only on price. But software that saves even 1 hour per day can be worth far more than a small monthly difference. Let's talk about ease of use first. Imagine Jake runs a landscaping company with 3 technicians. He needs scheduling, invoicing, quotes, and customer management without a steep learning curve. Jobber is often praised for its clean interface and quick setup. New employees can usually learn the basics quickly. But here's the problem. Easy software isn't always enough if you're trying to grow aggressively. This is where Markate stands out. Markate includes marketing-focused features such as lead generation support, reputation management, and customer engagement tools. For contractors who want help attracting new business, that can be a major advantage. In a minute, I'll show you which software offers better value depending on your business size. Next, let's compare scheduling and operations. Jobber is generally stronger when it comes to dispatching crews, managing recurring jobs, tracking appointments, and keeping field teams organized. If operational efficiency is your priority, Jobber often has the edge. Markate, however, tries to cover more business functions in one place. Some owners appreciate having marketing, CRM tools, estimates, and customer communication under one roof. This is where most people fail. They buy software with the most features instead of choosing software that solves their biggest bottleneck. If Alex owns an HVAC company struggling with scheduling chaos, Jobber may create more immediate value. If John owns a growing contracting business and needs both customer management and marketing support, Markate could be the better fit. So which one wins in 2026? For most service businesses focused on simplicity, team management, scheduling, and job execution, Jobber is usually the safer recommendation. For businesses that want additional marketing capabilities built into their software stack, Markate deserves serious consideration. The key takeaway is simple. Choose Jobber for operational efficiency and ease of use. Choose Markate if marketing and customer acquisition are major priorities. If this comparison helped you make a smarter software decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more business software reviews, and leave a comment with the software you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.